Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Chips. Please subscribe and stay tuned to get latest video updates. In this video we are going to talk about entry-level software engineer resume tips and its template. Guys, in this video I am going to give some of the best tips for writing resume for entry-level software engineer. Also we will show you the best resume template which you can use to create your good quality and outstanding resume. So keep on watching. Let's first talk about what are things that are must in an entry-level software engineer's resume. How you can put them in a document. Number 1 is who the resume belongs to. That mean your name. This is the first thing. Number 2 is your contact information. And this should be on top of the resume. But right below your name. Your contact information should include the followings. Contact number, with an alternate number if possible. At least one email id two or better. Number 3 is your high-level summary of your experience, your skills, roles and responsibilities. Remember, this should be very high level. Do not put up everything here. The reason this is provided in a resume is to give a glimpse of what the person has been up to. Number 4 is your core competencies, means the areas or skills which you are really good in. That area will help you to steer the interview in the direction of your choice, so all the things here in which you think you can get 10 on 10. Number 5 is certifications. Mention all the certifications that you have done with dates. This will give a better impression on your resume. Number 6 is awards and recognition. Mention here all the awards and achievements which you have gathered so far. Don't miss even the minor ones. This is placed to showcase your talent. Don't miss this part in your resume. Number 7 is technology breadth. Here mention all the technologies which you have worked with or at least used once in a while and have some idea on how to use them. Try to list out in order of your level expertise in these technologies. At number 8 comes the technologies which you learned but have not used. These are the areas which if given a chance on you can pick very quickly. So mention all of them here. At number 9 comes your employment history. Mention here all the names of the companies you have worked with so far. Starting with the current one or the last one you worked for. At number 10 comes your personal information, which can include the followings. 1. Your date of birth. 2. Your father's name and communication address. 3. Your marital status, and in the end your passport or visa information. That's all you need in good resume. Gentlemen, if put in all this properly, believe me, it's going to be an outstanding resume. Now let's have a look at the resume template which you can use to write the best resume of your career so far. Here in this template we have put in everything which we talked about so far. This is the first part of the template. Pause for a moment and try to understand it. Then we will have a look at the second part of the template. This is the second part of the resume template. Try to follow it correctly. So this was how an outstanding resume can be prepared for an experienced software engineer. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more similar video. Do not forget to download the resume template from link provided in the video description. Thanks again.